Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deploy GitHub project on Cloudflare Pages. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open GitHub in one tab and Cloudflare in another. I'll be using a simple project from GitHub as an example. You can see it's just a basic HTML project. Now we'll go ahead and deploy it on Cloudflare Pages. On Cloudflare, go to your dashboard and from the left sidebar, click on Compute and AI. Then select Workers and Pages. This will open a new page. Here, go to the Pages tab at the top and beside, import an existing Git repository, click Create a Project, or Get Started. If you haven't connected your GitHub account yet, Cloudflare will ask you to log in. Go ahead and sign in to link your GitHub with Cloudflare. Once connected, select GitHub and choose your GitHub account. You'll now see a list of repositories. Find the one you want to deploy. In my case, it's this one here, and click on it. Then click Begin Setup. You can keep the default project name or rename it if you like. Make sure the production branch is set to main. Next, you'll see the build settings. If your project uses a specific framework like React, Vue, or Next.js, you can select the matching preset. This will automatically fill in the build command and output directory. Since mine is a simple HTML project, I'll select None and set the output directory to just a period to represent the root folder. Once done, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will begin initializing the build environment and start deploying your site. This process usually takes less than a minute. Once it says success, your website is now live. You'll get a link that looks like your project name.pages.dev. Click on it, and you'll see your site fully deployed and running on Cloudflare Pages. And that's it. So that is how you can deploy GitHub project on Cloudflare Pages. So that's all for this video. Thanks.